Put olive oil with lemon one night before bed and you won't ignore it for your whole life. Prepare a concoction of olive oil and lemon the night before bedtime, following the method outlined in our upcoming video, and you'll be captivated by its efficacy for a lifetime. Imagine discovering that this simple yet magical blend, a staple in every household, holds the key to numerous health benefits and disease prevention, all backed by the latest findings from modern science. Join us as we unveil the wonders of this recipe, accompanied by your favorite drink, and ensure you're in the right place for this enlightening journey. Before we delve in, if you've already tried olive oil with lemon, hit the like button to show your interest in these types of videos. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for all our exciting updates. Welcome once again, esteemed doctors and specialists in the fields of nutrition, alternative medicine, and general physical health. We advocate the daily consumption of a blend of lemon and olive oil to harness the utmost benefits from their combined components. Lemon, a citrus fruit widely utilized in culinary endeavors for cooking, salads, pickles, and beverages, boasts a plethora of health benefits owing to its abundance in vitamins, minerals, and natural properties. Meanwhile, olive oil, often revered as the golden liquid, stands as one of the most significant and nutrient-rich plant products globally, renowned since ancient times. Its incorporation into the diet has remained pivotal due to its potent natural antioxidants and exceptional nutritional composition. In this video, we will elucidate the advantages of blending olive oil with lemon, along with detailing the preparation and appropriate utilization of this concoction. Firstly, this blend contributes significantly to weight management and the reduction of obesity. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and citric acid, aids in fat combustion throughout the body, particularly in problematic areas such as the abdomen and buttocks, while also bolstering metabolic processes. Olive oil, on the other hand, contains crucial acids like oleic acid, pivotal in fat metabolism and the regulation of hunger hormones, promoting satiety. Secondly, the olive oil and lemon mixture serves as a formidable preventive measure against hepatitis C. By impeding the activity of the virus responsible and thwarting its infiltration into healthy cells, this blend preserves liver function, enhances enzyme levels, and purges toxins, thus safeguarding overall liver health. It's widely acknowledged that the liver stands as one of the body's pivotal organs, tasked with blood purification and enhancing the digestive process. Consequently, the incorporation of this mixture enhances liver function, fostering its vitality. Thirdly, this blend aids in cholesterol reduction and clot prevention, rendering it conducive to heart health. By diminishing the risk of heart disease and maintaining vascular well-being, the olive oil and lemon combination works to lower detrimental cholesterol levels, thereby facilitating smoother blood flow and oxygen delivery to all body cells while thwarting clot formation. Moreover, it regulates blood pressure, particularly beneficial for individuals grappling with hypertension, thus enhancing overall blood circulation and cardiovascular efficacy. Additionally, this mixture exerts a positive influence on blood sugar levels, contributing further to holistic health management. Boosting the immune system and combating the aging process, regular consumption of a blend of olive oil and lemon bestows a vibrant appearance of health. Observing individuals aged between 50 and 70 who exhibit no signs of aging and enjoy robust health serves as inspiration for those seeking to emulate their vitality. Indeed, incorporating this mixture into your routine can yield similar benefits, courtesy of its abundant health-enhancing properties. Rich in potent antioxidants and essential nutrients such as magnesium and potassium, this blend works to stave off wrinkles, promoting facial rejuvenation. Furthermore, it enhances cerebral oxygenation by eliminating accumulated fatty substances within the brain, thus fostering youthfulness and heightened vitality. Addressing inflammatory conditions, the blend of olive oil and lemon stands out as a natural remedy that bolsters the body's capacity to combat infections, particularly arthritis. This mixture, brimming with active natural antioxidants and unsaturated fatty acids, has been validated by recent studies for its efficacy in alleviating hand and joint pain. Moreover, it plays a pivotal role in diminishing oxidative stress among individuals grappling with rheumatoid arthritis. Enhancing digestive function, lemon accelerates the digestion process, while olive oil soothes the stomach, alleviating issues such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. Furthermore, it aids in the treatment of stomach ulcers, digestive disorders, infections, and constipation. Notably, the blend also exhibits antibacterial properties, effectively targeting and eliminating harmful bacteria within the body. Disintegrating kidney stones, this blend is hailed as a miraculous remedy for this prevalent ailment known for inflicting intense pain upon sufferers. Research indicates that the combination of lemon and olive oil effectively tackles kidney stones. Lemon's high potassium citrate content aids in breaking down these stones, while olive oil facilitates the passage of stone fragments from the kidneys to the bladder, facilitating their expulsion through urination. An enchanting remedy for both hair and skin, this blend works wonders. When applied to the hair for 20 minutes and subsequently washed out, it imparts a dazzling shine, promotes hair growth, revitalizes, prevents hair loss, and purifies, infusing vitality in guarding against baldness. Similarly, on the skin, it serves as a preventive measure against wrinkles, lightens sensitive areas, and eliminates blackheads. Moreover, it softens the skin and eradicates dark circles under the eyes. Application to the desired area for 2 hours followed by washing results in a rejuvenated and radiant complexion. In the realm of Alzheimer's prevention and memory enhancement, this blend emerges as a formidable contender. Rich in potent antioxidants, it combats free radicals responsible for Alzheimer's and aging. Extra virgin olive oil, containing oleocanthal compounds, facilitates the removal of abnormal Alzheimer's proteins from the brain. Furthermore, it stimulates the production of proteins and enzymes essential for clearing beta-amyloid protein, thus impeding its accumulation in the brain. Consequently, this mixture significantly enhances memory, improves brain function, and heightens concentration levels. Cancer prevention is one of the remarkable properties attributed to this blend, owing to the individual strengths of lemon and olive oil. Lemon boasts anti-cancer properties due to its rich content of vitamin C and flavonoids, rendering it effective in cancer prevention. Meanwhile, olive oil's abundance in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds endows it with similar anti-cancer potential, particularly in combating colon and breast cancers. Furthermore, this mixture offers significant benefits for both men and women. Consumption of a spoonful provides sustained energy throughout the day, leaving one feeling revitalized and invigorated by enhancing blood circulation. To reap these benefits, simply mix a small spoonful of lemon juice with an equal amount of extra virgin olive oil and consume it on an empty stomach or an hour before bedtime. It's crucial to ingest it promptly to prevent any potential interaction between the ingredients that could compromise the health benefits of this recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.